In this video, I am going to show you 3 reasons why you are having the not enough money error popping up on your MT5 whenever you want to trade. So sometimes you may want to enter for a trade such as this. You click and you have this error of not enough money. So there are 3 reasons why you are having such type of error. The most common reason is that you do not actually have enough money in your account the way you are seeing it. So when I show you this account, let's come to trade. There is $50 in this particular account. Yes, you are seeing the money there. This is the balance, $50. But the $50 cannot open this particular lot size that I want to open. Why? Because if I want to open a 0.5 lot account, it means you require about $50,000 to be in your account. You have to really pay attention to understand. In Forex, you need large amount of money before you can buy and sell. The minimum lot permitted in Forex is 0.01 lot. 0.01. That is the minimum, except if you are using micro accounts that can even give you in cents. But the standard account, the minimum lot you can open is 0.01 lot. For you to open this 0.01 lot, you require 1,000 US dollars to be able to open that. And what I am having is $50 in my account. So you don't have enough money to open this lot size. That is what they are trying to tell you. Not that you don't have enough money in your account. No, is that you don't have enough money to open this lot size of 0.5. So what your brokers do to help you to trade, even if you have small amount of money such as this, which is $50, they give you what is known as leverage, which means if it's only $50 that you have, your brokers can increase the amount of money for you in the form of leverage, and you can actually open a lot size that is higher than the amount of money you have. So in order to solve this, is either we reduce this lot size to fit into this $50, or we will go back to our broker and increase the leverage. I'm going to show you all of those things in this video. Just stay with me. So if the minimum amount of lot size that you can open is 0.01, this 0.01 lot size requires that you have $1,000. Then your broker can add that amount of money for you in the form of leverage. So let us go back to our broker, and then I will go and increase the leverage there, and you will see how this same $50 can open this 0.5 lot as well. So let me check what leverage this account has first, then we can know what lot size we can start opening it with. So this is my Xness account. It is a demo account for the purpose of this video, and you can see it ends with 248. So I will go to my broker, the Xness app. I will log into it. So you can see that this is the account. It ends with 248. If I come under details, click the details that are here, you see the leverage we are having on this account is 1 to 50, which means for every $1 that you bring, your broker will multiply it 50 times. So if I have $50 in the account, which is what I am having now, and for every $1 the broker is willing to multiply it 50 times for you, then it means the total amount of money you can have, which is 50 times 50, will be $2,500. That is the maximum amount that you have. So when we go back to our trade, since we now know that the maximum amount of money we have is $2,500, the max that your broker can offer you as a result of the amount of money you have in your balance, which is 50, and they are telling you for every $1 they are willing to multiply it for you 50 times, then the max that they can multiply it for us will be 50 times 50, which is 2,005. And I told you, if we are using 0.01 lot, then we require $1,000 in order to open a 0.01 lot. It means if you open 0.02 lot, then you require $2,000. So the maximum that we can open will be 0.02 lots with that our 2,005. Because if you add it to be 0.03 lots, then it is going to require $3,000. And the max that our broker can allow us as a result of the leverage they are giving us, which is 1 to 50, is $2,500. So even when I try to enter 0.03, it will not go. You see, it is giving you not enough money. But if I reduce this same to 0.02, it will be allowed, because you see, it has taken us in because of the lot size. If you want to know a very detailed video that I have made about how this lot size affects you and how much pips you can calculate to know how much you are willing to risk, I have made a detailed video about this. As a beginner, you will really need this before you even begin anything in Forex. The video will appear at the top right hand corner. You can go and watch it and learn this thing very well, how it affects you. Okay? So let me close this trade because I'm not trading, I'm just giving you examples. Now, if we want to open something like a 0.1 lot on this particular account, we will still have the not enough money, because in Forex, like I am telling you to go and watch that video, this 0.1 lot requires $10,000 for you to open a 0.1 lot. And the max that your broker can give you is 50 multiplied by whatever you are having here. That's what 1 to 50 leverage refers to. So in order to still allow us to open a 0.1 lot with our $50, we will go back to the broker now. Let's go back. Then we are going to change our leverage, go to settings and see the max leverage. So we will click and change our leverage. Let's give it to something like 1 to 1,000. Now with this 1 to 1,000, it means that for every $1 that you bring, okay, our leverage has been changed to 1 to 1,000 now. For every $1 that you bring, they are going to multiply it for you times 1,000 times. So it means if we are having $50 in our MT5 account, then 50 times 1,000 will give us $50,000. And what we just need to open 0.1 is $10,000. So it means we can open a 0.1 up to 5 times now that we have increased our leverage. So this same account that could not allow us before, because we have increased the leverage now, it can allow us. Look at it now. It has allowed us. This same account has allowed us to open a 0.1 lot. However, if you are a beginner, I will advise you to go for mentorship. It helps you. You have time with your mentor to ask questions. If you have issues, you can ask and you are clarified in a detailed way. Now, I offer mentorship for 2 months. The details is already in the description box. You can contact me through that WhatsApp number. It is a 2-month program. Within those 2 months, you will master what trading is all about and you will become highly profitable. The classes are usually 2 to 3 times in a week. So If you are interested, just contact me. The details are in the description box. So let us continue. You have to be very careful with leverage. That you can increase it does not mean you should increase it. Because for every 1 pip movement, that your money that you see, it will be drained. If I come back now, you can see how it drains it quickly. If you are using this, it will drain your money quickly if you increase your leverage and increase your lot size. You have to know that. So understand leverage very well before coming to increase lot size. The problem is not just to allow you to enter the trade. Know what you are doing. So with this, I believe you have understood what is causing the not enough money. Even if you have money in your balance, it's showing you that you don't have enough money. It is simply because of your leverage, one, and also because of the lot size that you are entering is not compatible with the balance and the max leverage that you are giving. Now, there are some brokers that they may not allow you to alter that leverage. The max they can give you is, they can give you 1 to 100. Some can give you 1 to 50. You can't change it. Some can give you 1 to 500. You can't change it. But we see that for this particular broker, XNES, you can alter it. Some can give you unlimited like XNES, and FX Pro 2 can give you unlimited leverage. But it's left for you to calculate the risks yourself, because you can easily lose that account if you don't know what you are doing. Okay? If you are having issues with not enough money, it is not just because you don't have money. Yes, the first is that you may not have enough money in your trading account. One. The second is that your leverage is not enough for you to open the account, and I have shown you. Go back and check with your broker what is the leverage of your account. Compare it with the lot size you are trying to use to open that particular trade. Now, this was a simple video showing you how to fix the issue of not enough money on MT5. If you have any question regarding how to fix the error of not enough money on MT5 chart, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.